Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Instantly account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Gmail to your Instantly account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Gmail to Instantly anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you have to stay in touch with prospect, and with Instantly, you can send out cold email all month long. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Instantly account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Instantly, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your Gmail to your Instantly, here on the left side, you're going to click on email accounts. It looks like a little envelope. Once you do that, you're going to see all the email addresses you have in Instantly. However, in order to link your Gmail, you're going to click over here on the right, add new. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to have these three options. So you can buy a pre-warmed account. So this is a paid service that Instantly offers. So you can buy accounts and domains so that way you can automatically start sending out emails immediately, or you can have them set up your Gmail or G Suite. For me, I'm going to go ahead and click on this box right here, Gmail, over here on the right, in order to connect existing accounts. Okay, once you do that, you do need to enable IMAP on your Gmail account. So just follow these instructions inside your gmail.com box. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on here. Yes, IMAP has been enabled. Okay, here you have two different ways to connect your account. So if you have a G Suite account, which I do not, then you're going to go through here. If you're just setting up a regular personal account, which is what I'm going to be connecting, you're going to click here on this option. Okay, next they let you know that you have to go to your Google account security settings. This is not Gmail. And then you'll have to enable two-step verification and then create an app password. So rather than searching for that, you can actually just click on these little blue buttons. So I'm going to click here, two-step verification. Okay, as you can see, I already have two-step verification. If not, then you'll need to click right here to turn it on and then follow those steps. Okay, so let me go back to Instantly. Okay, now we need to create an app password. So I'm going to click on this blue button. Okay, now they say app name. So just put other and create. Okay, now it gave me a 16-digit app password. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Okay, now that we have the app password saved onto my desktop, I'm going to go ahead and click next. Okay, now here is where you're going to go ahead and paste in the app password, and then you're going to use your email address here. So let me go ahead and enter that in. Okay, so once you've entered that information in, click on connect. Okay, just a quick second later, after entering in the app password, Instantly refreshes. Now you can see I've added my Gmail account right here, so I can go ahead and start using this to send out emails. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Gmail to your Instantly account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.